So this might be a bit comical. Have a go at. It's not going to work. So I have an airbrush. Oh, airbrush. Let's get it like that. Okay, this is going to be comical. This is a nail art airbrush, and I've got some model paint from like a Tamiya model paint that matches the anodizing. So that's a little bit of a test there, and I'm going to have a go at spraying with the airbrush to do some fake anodizing. So let's see how good it is. It might be a mess, it might not. Let's have a look. No, I'm going to have to mask it, but it's not. Oh, here we go. Oh, crikey, out of paint. Just filled up again with paint. Well, not bad. I'll do the other side. So this is the pack, or this is the model paint, which is GX Blue Gold. And it is a very, very good match. A couple of test paints, and then so the center of that is anodized, and then the outside is paint. So you couldn't tell up close, so 10 feet away, no one's going to know. Shitty old tire on the front, that's got to get changed anyhow, so that's all good. So here's the touch-up on the rear wheel. Just some patches, actually probably more on the other side. Some damage where there was some corrosion in the anodizing.
Please add your thoughts and comments, like and subscribe. Let's grow this channel.